Hey, you all Bitcoin fans. I'm sure every one of you is really excited to see how Bitcoin has changed over the past 5 years, 4 or 5 years, and has made some few millionaires. I want to show you guys how it made $1 million worth of Bitcoin back in 2016. The first payment that I got on Bitcoin was 0.053322 Bitcoin, March 16. And then, as you can see here in the transactions, I got a couple of Bitcoins, payments for 1.199952 Bitcoins, April 25th, 1.24 Bitcoins, May 5th, and then 1.227 Bitcoins, May 10th, 2016, 1.19 Bitcoins, May 16 again, and then 1.21 Bitcoins in May 25th. I'll show you all of this transaction and how you can make millions of dollars on Bitcoin, the same as I did across the years. And especially, there are so many people now saying that you can trade Bitcoin, make a lot of money, but you should trust them when they actually make millions of dollars on Bitcoin. So follow me on Instagram, check out what I did with most of this Bitcoin's money, enjoying life, traveling, having fun around the world, and I'll share some of the secrets to get these Bitcoins with you. Take care. Follow me.